And it goes a little something like
What's up everyone, it's Miggy with an X and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing my second Pride makeup look. As I promised, what the fuck was that? As I promised, I'm going to post 3 Pride makeup looks. I was gonna do 4, but knowing that I'm a lazy ass bitch, I can't do very creative looks 4 times in a month. So yeah. Be happy with what you get, bitch. So this is my second Pride makeup look for my Pride makeup look series, which I will do every year. Yeah, this is the second one. If you want to see the first one, the video link will be up here. Okay, up here. I've never done a makeup look where I focus on blush. Oh wait, I have, but like only like 4 or 5 people know that. Anyways, I did a rainbow blush.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Okay, so my mom was taking pictures of me because she loved this makeup look. If she loved it, you guys should too. Alright, this
girl, this guy, they make out.
This is a very simple and easy look that anyone can recreate if you have 6 different eyeshadow colors. So the look itself is quite simple. It's just some individual bottom lashes, eyeliner, and this rainbow blush, bitch. I can stop staring at myself. So if you guys want to see how I created this makeup look, please keep on watching. Okay, I'm gonna start with foundation. The foundation that I'm using is from the brand Essence Fresh and Fit Awake Makeup. Awake Makeup. Y'all need that. In the shade Fresh Honey. For the concealer, I'll be using LA Girl Pro Concealer as always. For eyebrows, I'm just gonna use any black eyeshadow that I have. You can use any eyebrow product, but I prefer using black eyeshadow. I'll get closer so you can see better. I like how it looks. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eyebrow. What I'm doing today is a rainbow blush. So I'm not gonna do much for the eye look. I want all the attention on the blush. Simple eyeliner and a pair of blush. And I think that should be good enough, yeah. I'm gonna put on my contacts first before I put on eyeliner so that it makes my life easier. If you have a pat, look for their fur all on your fingertips so that it doesn't go in your eyeball. I changed my mind. I still want like one color on my eyelid. Just one color. For that, I'll be using this palette, the Gold Dust one, because the other one, like I said, is shit. I'll be using Romance for the entire eyelid so that, you know, I don't look dead. I'm going to also put a little bit on the bottom eyelid. Okay, now I'm going to do the eyeliner. For the eyeliner, I'll be using Mirror Paradise face paint. So I have done a video on how to do proper eyeliner with the technique for beginner. So I'm just gonna go through eyeliner very quickly, but if you wanna watch a video on how I did it, the video link will be up here. I would love to explain to you what I'm doing, but I myself have no idea because I was struggling. So if you wanna learn how to do perfect eyeliner, I will link the video down below so you can go check it out. Now I'm going to curl my lashes, put on mascara, and put on a lash. Now we're gonna go on to the star of the show, the blush. Makeup tip time. If you don't want to wait for your eyeliner to dry, what you can do is use black eyeshadow and pack it on top of the eyeliner, which can dry the eyeliner as well as make it matte if you use cheap eyeliner. My neighbors are so fucking loud. You know it's raining when people are yelling, "It's raining!" Bitch. The f***. Do you see how much the lash makes a difference? Can you hear me? Okay. You can finish the eye look here, so I'm going to be extra and put individual bottom lashes. If you don't have individual lashes like these, what you can do is you can buy a regular lash and cut them into pieces. I cut them into 5 pieces, I believe, and now I'm going to stick them at the bottom. Don't put it on your eyelash, put it on the skin so that it sticks. Now I'm gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Okay, now let's do the blush. Obviously, I'm gonna use the Beauty Bay EYN42 Matte Bright Color Palette. I'm gonna start off with red, this bright hot red called Hot Stuff, and I'm gonna start from this side. Yeah, be messy at first before you start blending them. Now I'm blending. I look like I got punched. For the orange, I'll go into this color called Heat Wave. Don't forget to blend the 2 colors. Now I'm going to go back in with red. Now we're gonna go into yellow called Hello Sunshine. You may notice that I'm using the same brush that I used for the orange. This is to help blend the 2 colors better, and also I cleaned the brush a little bit with the tissue. I'm going to intensify the orange again, and then blend. For green, I'll go into Slice of Lime. I think I'm gonna use my finger. Clean my fingers off, that's really important. For the blue, I'll combine these 2 colors. This color is called Paradise, this color is called Daydream. It looks like turquoise on the camera. Don't know why. And then blend it together with the green as well. Okay, now we are going into purple. I have many choices for purple. They're all pretty. I'm going in with Living for Lavender. Actually, I'm gonna use my brush. The same brush I use for blue. You may notice that some eyeshadows work better with brush and some work better with fingers. If you think an eyeshadow palette is shit, maybe your technique is wrong. Try using different kind of methods. Yeet. Every time you put down a new color, don't forget to blend it with the previous color so that it doesn't look patchy. We are not done here. we are going to put on some tiny stars. First, I was going to put on some clouds, but clouds are risky. You still need to blend the white, but for stars, you just need to dot it. So this is like white freckles, basically. Makeup tip time. Depending on the pressure, oh, it looks cute already. Depending on the pressure you put on your brush, the bigger the dot is. If you put more pressure, the dot will be bigger. If you put on a light pressure, the dot will look really tiny. You can barely see these ones because I lightly put it on. I'm gonna do a four-way star. Draw one line, a vertical line, and then a horizontal line. So cute, okay. I think I'm done. Oh my god, this is so cute. I love it. I'm gonna do a gradient lip, actually. Yeah, let's do that. I'm gonna use powder. I'm going to do this with my lips and then powder my mouth, lips. It's already a gradient, okay. And then I'm gonna use MAC Diva in the center. Now I'm gonna use my fingers to blend that out. I think this is the finished look. I am obsessed with this rainbow blush. I look so cute. I rarely say that, but like, oh my god, I look so freaking adorable. I hope you love it as much as I do, because I'm so obsessed. I don't even want to take this off, honestly. As always, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like, and if you have any questions, concerns, you can comment them down below. And if you want to see more of these kind of videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see my previous video of me putting on my first Pride makeup look for this channel, the video will be up here. And with that, thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you guys later. Bye!